Updating your billing plan on Redbubble is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is set up according to your preferences. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Redbubble website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Step 3. Select billing information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRF to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your new plan. Review the available billing plans and select the one that best suits your needs. Make sure to read the descriptions and pricing details before making a choice. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new billing plan, follow the prompts to confirm your changes. You may need to enter payment information or agree to new terms before finalizing the update. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing plan on Redbubble. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Redbubble's customer support for assistance.